Warning: read and follow all labels in the owner's manual. Let's walk you through how to set up and operate the FILTAIR 215 high vacuum fume extraction system. This unit has a built-in safety feature where it will not operate if the filter is not present or if the filter cover is not installed. First, verify all 6 latches on the cover are closed and secured. Ensure the disposal bin is inserted and the handle is secured in the upright position. This unit can support multiple fume guns and attachments simultaneously. There are 2 inlet connection ports. Attach the connection hose onto each connection port being used. Be sure the hose is securely installed. Multiple different accessories can be attached to these hoses, including Bernard clean air fume guns, various nozzles, and more. Attachments are connected to the other end of the connected collection hose. If using the optional Auto Start Stop feature, connect the input now. See video on how to properly connect and use this feature. Next, connect 80 to 100 psi of clean, dry, oil-free compressed air for the self-cleaning filter mechanism to operate. Obtain a proper input power cord and install the supplied input power connector. See Owner's Manual for information on the power input connector. Connect input power and run through the following checklist to ensure the extractor is ready for operation. Check for free and easy movement of the collection hoses and nozzles before each use. Located on the side of the unit, verify the air outlet is not obstructed and discharged air appears clean. Check the filter condition if discharge air appears dirty. Select the preferred flow control and you can begin operation.